wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z,
from east to west,
I'm Noah.
and I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again! Hi Olivia.
Hi, do you know what we're doing today, Noah?
I don't know, but why do we have flowers here? I thought we're doing science.
Yeah, we're doing science!
Science!
You did know.
But why the flowers?
Don't they smell nice?
They do smell nice, but
Yeah.
I thought we're doing science. I don't know why we have flowers here.
What? You can do science with flowers.
Really?
Yeah, there's lots of science involved in flowers.
Well, did you know that plants need sunlight to live?
Yeah, I know, but I don't know why.
Well, it seems sort of strange, right?
Yeah, it's really strange. I can live inside a house.
Yeah, because how can sunlight be a type of food?
Oh, is sunlight their food?
It is.
Oh.
Sunlight is energy, right?
Uh-huh.
We've learned that before.
Yeah, yep. Molecules. Woo!
So sunlight is energy, and photosynthesis is the process plants use to take the energy from sunlight
Uh-huh.
and use it to convert carbon dioxide and water into food.
Oh. Do you know what photosynthesis means?
I know, but I don't think the kids know.
Oh, okay. Photosynthesis is a really big word, but it's actually just two little words put together. One is photo, which means light, and the other is synthesis, which means put together. So if you put together light, carbon dioxide, and water, plants can make food.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is correct.
Yay!
That's why plants need three basic things to live.
Three things.
Water,
Water,
sunlight,
sunlight,
and carbon dioxide.
and carbon dioxide.
So plants like these out here,
Yeah.
these flowers,
They're so nice.
they breathe carbon dioxide just like we breathe oxygen.
Ooh, very nice.
And when plants breathe carbon dioxide in, they breathe out oxygen for us, which we can breathe.
Oh, that's great. And then we can breathe the oxygen and we make carbon dioxide for the plants.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And plants are the major source of oxygen on planet Earth and help keep us alive.
Whoa. Yeah, that's great.
Pretty cool, huh?
That's very cool.
So,
What were you going to ask?
well, why don't you tell us like how, because we have water here, and you know, why is water important for the plants, and how do they,
How do they get it?
yeah.
Here, let me tell you. So most plants actually drink water from the ground through their roots. So kind of like if our feet were stuck to the ground, plants have roots that go down into the ground, and the water travels up the stem, which is the green part on the plant, like up our legs, and then it goes up the stem of the plant into the leaves and the flowers where it makes food and keeps the plant healthy. And then
What?
part of this experiment, yep, when a plant or a flower is cut off the plant, it doesn't have those roots.
Yes.
So, yeah. So it's hard for it to get water. But
What?
yep, but you can actually put a flower in water, and the stem will still suck up the water. It drinks it up. Do you know how that happens?
No.
Okay, so there are two things that combine to move water through a plant. These are big words, but they have little meanings. It's okay. Transpiration,
Transpiration
yeah, and cohesion.
and cohesion.
Whoa. Yeah,
Whoa.
I don't really know how to explain those words, but I
Maybe
know
we'll
what they
do that
mean.
in the next episode.
Yeah.
Okay.
So really, the top of the plant, the
Yeah.
leaves, the flowers, all that, they pull water up because the sun, it's hot, right?
Right.
And so it evaporates some of their water up into the air because it's so hot.
Okay.
And then the stem drinks up the rest of the water, and it travels up the plant, up the plant, up the plant, and is up to the leaves and the flowers. And actually, in a flower, even though you can't tell it, you can see water in its leaves. And that's our experiment today. Yep. We're going to show how the water moves up through a plant with colors!
Colors!
Science!
Science!
Colors!
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's why you were telling me that we need basically a flask or 4 cups.
Yep.
A flask divided in 4 spaces.
Yeah.
Wait. Excuse me.
You're excused.
I had a frog. I think you gave that frog to me. So, basically we need 4 glasses or a flask divided in 4 areas.
Yep, 4 parts. And then
And we do that because I think we're separating 4 different colors, right?
yes, we're going to make multiple colors. We have our
So we also need 4 different flowers. Or no, we use the same flower. We need 4 flowers.
we're doing 4 flowers, and the lighter color your flower is, the easier it'll be to see. So we picked white flowers, so like a white carnation is nice, a white rose, but you can do other ones, but the white ones will be the easiest to see.
Yeah, because we're using different colors and we want to see if white turns into one of these colors, right?
Yep. So what we're going to do, should I tell them now?
Yeah, why not? What are we waiting for? The kids want to know.
Yeah, the kids want to know. Okay, kids. So once we put the water in 4 different cups or a flask divided into 4 parts, we're going to put one color of
Blue.
We're going to one color of food coloring, so a drop or 2 into the water, and it will dye the water blue. And then we're going to wait, and overnight the plant will drink up the water, and then its petals that were white will start.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh, yes? Go ahead, Noah.
They're going to turn green.
Yep, green or blue, all the colors that you put in the water. Yep.
So depending on what type of color we put into water, that's the color the plant will change to.
Yep. And if you want to see the difference between one of the flowers that you didn't put color in and one of the flowers that you do, you could always leave one in just plain regular water so you can tell that it's no color and then some color.
Oh, this is a cool experiment.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this one. I love colors and flowers and science.
So let me recap what the kids need in order to do this at home, right?
Thank you.
So kids, you need 4 glasses, water of course, 4
4 flowers.
flowers, thank you,
You're welcome.
and some food coloring.
Yep.
And what you want to do is put 1 flower into each glass and put the food coloring in there too, obviously. And then let it stand overnight and then look at it the next morning.
Yep.
And see if the flower changed its color.
Yep. Yep.
And
yep,
if you want to compare those 4 that you are coloring to a 5th one that you're not coloring, just keep a 5th one into a 5th glass.
Yep.
So,
Perfect.
why don't you kids get all of these items at home?
Yep.
Start the experiment, and by the time you're back, we're going to look into what we've done.
Yay, let's do it. Let's check it out.
Okay?
Okay, I'm really excited.
We'll be right back, kids.
We'll be right back. Bye.
Bye.
For now.
For now.
For now.
Okay.
Okay.
At you.
Okay.
So, Olivia, it's been a day,
Yeah.
and we actually put our 4 flowers into a flask that's divided into 4 compartments. Here, let me show you.
Yeah. Yeah, so we have blue and green, and then there's red, and, oh, maybe that one's green, and there was yellow. Yeah, there's lots.
Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Wow.
and if you look up at the stem, what happened?
Yep, the color traveled up the stem, and now you can see like the very tallest flower is a bit pink, and that one's kind of green, and then there's blue.
This one's yellow right there.
Yeah, that one's yellow. Wow.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, they're so neat.
So, what happened? It's basically the color of the water that, just like a straw, sucked up into,
Drink it up.
and then it changed the color of the
Leaves. Yeah.
Wow.
So that shows how the water travels up the plant, and also how technically you can kind of see water in plants.
Pretty interesting, huh?
Isn't that amazing?
That is amazing.
Yeah. You want to know something else that's interesting, Noah?
Yeah, what is it?
Just like plants, we need water to live too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's why I drink so much water too.
Yeah. Wow, I love water. It's delicious.
Like the smart water that we always use for science.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like smart water. I would drink creative water if they had it, but I've also got a lot of creative already in me.
Yeah, you're really creative.
You're really creative too.
Maybe we create a creative water brand.
Ooh, creative water.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We'll get that water from the mountains because that's my favorite.
Oh, I love the mountains. They're so pretty and beautiful, and there are so many plants.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yeah,
pretty cool.
yeah.
Well,
Those look
kids-
really good.
Well, kids, I hope you learned a lot again today
Mm-hmm.
and you enjoyed our episode.
I hope so too.
And I hope you tried this at home as well, right?
Yeah, try it at home. Very fun and easy.
And you know what I would really, really look forward to?
Oh, pictures of their plants.
Yeah, exactly.
Mm-hmm. I'd love to see that too.
Or even just pictures of their flowers that they draw.
Yeah, I'd
would
love
be
to see
pretty cool.
flowers, and you could draw the flowers in a bunch of different colors. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we can do a craft like that too.
Oh, that'd be so fun.
So,
Yeah, I'd like that.
well, kid, thanks for watching Dream Again. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed our experiment and that you can do this at home. And we'll see you next time at another episode of Science!
Science! Science! Science! Science! Science! Science! Thanks for joining us.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!